Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's Lady M here, and I'm coming at you with my Boxycharm. This is my December BOXYLUXE box. I had to think about it for a minute. And so we're going to be unboxing this together to find out what all I received in my December BOXYLUXE box. I'm so excited because I thought last month's was the Luxe, but I guess, I don't know, I was so confused. But anyway, I finally got it and I'm excited to share. I'm a little bit late, but you know, life happens. And so, but anyway, I'm here and let's go ahead and jump into this month's Boxycharm BOXYLUXE unboxing. However, before we do that, if you aren't subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of the Lady M fam. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, my box is still sealed right there, as you can see. So let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up, and we are all set to talk about what's in this box. So let me go ahead and open it up. So this is the box, and this is, like I said, the December BOXYLUXE. And let's see, put that down. The name of this box is Winter Luxe, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in this box. And like I said, all the details about Boxycharm will be listed in the description box down below. And if you are interested in signing up, I'll also have a link available down below for you to sign up for Boxycharm. I do know that they're like coming out with some new Boxycharm products, different ways that they're going to do business going into 2022. They also have some price changes as well. So I'll be sure to update you guys in my January box what all the changes are, and I'll have everything like linked down below. So again, this is the BOXYLUXE, where you're going to get way more products than the regular Boxycharm box that you only get 5 products, and we already counted and I have 8. So let's go ahead and dive into this box. I thought that I was able to what's the word? Like, I was able to customize this box, but I don't think it was this box. I think it's the January box that I was able to customize. And so that's another thing too, that Boxycharm allows you to customize your box via choice. So you're able to choose one product that will be in your box. I don't think it was this box. I think it was the next box coming. I missed the chance to customize this box. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this. First thing I'm gonna grab is a skincare product, and this is ACEOLOGY, and this is their detoxifying treatment mask. It says the ACEOLOGY Detoxifying Treatment Mask is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. So let's see what this packaging is. Oh, this is also cruelty-free and vegan. It has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. This reminds me of the, what's that brand called? Summer Fridays. Like, this packaging reminds me of the Summer Friday jet lag mask, or like all of their masks, because they kind of come like this in this kind of sleeve So it says use open tube while holding upright. Squeeze a generous amount on your fingers or onto any brush or applicator. Evenly apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin, being careful to avoid the eyes, brows, and hairline. Wow, this says to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes or until fully dry. To remove, peel off from the edges, rinse excess with warm water. Use twice weekly for optimal results. I actually kind of like the sound of that it's a peel off. Like, you know, like some of the other masks, once they dry down, you kind of have to go in and like, you know, work it, wet it, and then work it to get it off. So the fact that this is a peel off is piquing my interest, and I probably will try it. Oh, let me tell you guys, the MSRP for this is $69. So pretty dope. Again, I also have the total value of the box listed right here on the screen somewhere. And then I'll also have for you guys in the description box what the total value of the box is. So yes. Okay, I have something else in here. So let me just go ahead and grab this because I don't know what this is. This is LARUCE Beauty Christine set. The Christine set includes, so LARUCE is written all over the box. It's in this gray packaging, kind of has a little bit of grit to it. So LARUCE Beauty Christine set. The Christine set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium dome blending brush, and a graphite petite Rini cup, which I'm assuming is this. And this retails for $50. So, oops. Okay, and oh my gosh, that's so dope. The packaging on the brushes are similar to the packaging to this like grit texture, or whatever you want to call that. All right, let me just feel one because they all fell over the floor. Wow, it's soft. I wonder, it doesn't even say, like I probably have to go to their website to kind of figure out what type of hair this is, but it's definitely probably more synthetic. Yeah, so the brand is called LARUCE Beauty. Never heard of them before, but I think this is pretty neat. This little cute thing, so you can probably good for traveling because you could just boom, lock this. If I could close it again. Oh man. Oh, it's not working. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Anywho, this would probably be kind of cute for traveling. You pack your brushes in here and boom, travel. When you're doing your makeup, you just kind of open it and you have it right there to do your makeup with. I gotta really figure out how to close this because it seems like it has like notches. Oh, there we go. So now I closed it. So, yep. Let's see if I could open it. Oh, there we go. Working it out. Yeah, this is pretty dope, I have to say. I might try the brushes just to see how they feel. You know, like sometimes when you use some brushes that aren't really good quality, they can kind of scratch your skin, you know, because they're really rough. Okay, so 2 products down. Let me grab this because I'm curious about what this is. Oh, this is from Pharmacy, another one of my favorite brands. And this is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum, a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminate bumps, with AHAs and BHA leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. And this retails for $40 and it's from Pharmacy. I cannot wait to try this. I thought this was gonna be their body lotion because you know they have a body cream and it looks like the same yellow packaging, so I thought that's what that was gonna be. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited to try that. Okay, so next up is something from Pure or Pur, I don't know how to say it. This is their mascara. It's their fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Wow, it's vegan friendly, gluten-free, and it is cruelty-free. Oh my gosh, that's pretty dope. So it opposites attract with this age-defying vegan purr fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. I was trying to open it without like ripping the seal in case it was something that I wanted to gift. So it has just the brand Purr written there, and then it has fully charged written on the side. So that's pretty neat. I'm sure it's in the color black. So that's pretty interesting. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 products. Let me go to these 2 products here. So I have here Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. So I have used something. I got something else from them in another box before. I think it was like lip products. Okay, so this, I don't know if I said the Purr retails for $22. And then this retails for $14. It's Intensify Your Eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day to night wear, featuring a smooth blendable formula. This 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline. Cool beans. And then I also have in here the ANASTASIA brush number 7B. It's the dual-ended angled brush set. And they also sent me the pomade, and the color is chocolate, which isn't gonna work for me because it is more on that red brown kind of color. So that really won't work. And I don't really like the pomade either. So definitely something that I will be gifting or giving away. So it came with the pomade and it came with the brush. This DIPBROW pomade is a full pigment waterproof pomade that can be used to fill in and detail brows. The long-lasting buildable formula glides on, dries down completely, and stays put, giving you effortless, natural-looking textured brows. And then the brush 7B is a tapered angled brush with synthetic fibers and is ideal for applying powder and emollient-based products to the brows. Use the brush to create precise hair-like strokes or sweep color through the brows. Use this custom spoolie and to blend product through for a soft, natural-looking finish. So that's pretty neat. Wrong color. I feel like that's perfect for somebody who has more red hair. That would work much better for them. Okay, I have 2 more products left. And this is pretty neat. Oh my God. I totally love this. So this one is from KITSCH, and this is their Satin Sleep Set. The KITSCH Sleep Set is your newest nighttime necessity. All right now. Satin construction won't cramp or agitate your strands while you sleep, allowing you to wake up frizz-free and ready to take on the day. Banish breakage and conquer creases with these chic day to night no-brainers. Each package includes the pillowcase, 1 standard size satin pillowcase, 1 satin eye mask, and 1 satin sleep scrunchie. And this is in this white shade. So if you're into like white sheets, then this is perfect. I do love the satin scrunchies. I do use those with my curls, and I do use satin pillowcases as well. I have some from Slip, and then I think I have some from this brand KITSCH as well. So that's pretty exciting. So this, oh my God, I love. Can't wait to use. And then lastly, yeah, that's the last product. Let me just make sure. Yep, 1, 2, 3. We went through all of them. Okay, so this one is called BURKI. I never heard of that before. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Oh my God, I'm just dropping everything today. So this is BURKI Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. The cult favorite. You heard that right, cult favorite. Okay, but I never heard of this brand before. So this cult favorite vitamin C intense face cream is developed to meet the needs of a lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. The ocean mineral complex floods deep to fortify skin with essential micronutrients. The heart of the formula is the super nutrient complete comprised of 15% Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C, blended with the anti-aging powerhouse reishi to promote cell turnover and to brighten skin. This bad boy retails for $116 and the brand is called BURKI Skincare, and this is a new brand to Boxy. Oh, I never said what the MSRP for the ANASTASIA set, that is $39, and the MSRP for the KITSCH Satin Sleep Set is $36. Okay. So it utilizes applied nutritional sciences to deliver potent formulations for the skin through technology and cutting-edge nutritional research and concepts. Intelligent ingredients combining produces super nutrient complexes which are cold processed to create advanced anti-aging therapies. So I probably will not use this. So this is definitely something that I will give away. I have to say the packaging is really nice. Look at that. Really, really nice. I like it a lot. I like the packaging. It's green. So green writing. So this is a face cream. So this is for vitamin C. Okay. And so that pretty much concludes the unboxing of the Boxycharm, and not a bad box actually. What a good way to end the year, right? With their winter luxe box. The only thing that I'm probably really not feeling is the last product that I just showed you guys, and that's that face cream. So out of the 8 products, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, I would say I rate this box 7 out of 8. I'm super excited to try everything in the box. My favorite product definitely is gonna be this, because this is stuff that I already use and I love. So you can't never have enough satin pillowcases. So that definitely is like my fave. The pomade set is really nice by Anastasia. I'm just not a fan of the pomade. So even though it's not something that I would use, I do feel like that was a good product to get, and to be able to get the pomade and the brush. So I thought that that is very, very dope. So yeah, out of the whole box, just the one product I wouldn't really like, and that is the last face cream that I showed you guys. All right, so that concludes this unboxing. This is the last Boxycharm unboxing for 2021, guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And this is probably, like I said, the last Boxycharm unboxing for this year, but I'm going to be doing like the best of beauty, some of my favorite beauty products for 2021. So stay tuned. Those videos will be coming soon. I'm just kind of compiling everything and trying to put my list together, you know, so that I can share that with you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.